Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice with some more vocabulary words. These words describe how the animals are or how the animals move. Our first word is fast. You say it. Good. If something is fast, it can move quickly. Like you can move your feet fast. Very good. Look at our picture. What is this? You're right. It's a horse. Let's say our sentence. Ready? A horse is fast. You say it. Excellent. Big. You say the word. If something is big, it is large. It does not fit easily into your arms or your hands. What are these animals? If you said pig, you're right. What is this one? Yes, a horse. And this one? You got it, a cow. Excellent. Let's try our sentences with the word big. A pig is big. Ooh, that rhymes. A horse is big. Last one. A cow is big. Look at our next word. Little. You say the word. If something is little, it can fit into your arms or hands. Look at our three animals. What is this? You got it, a goose. What is this? Nice job. It is a duck. What is this? Very good. It is a chicken. Let's read the sentence with our animals in it. A goose is little. A duck is little. Last one. A chicken is little. Nice. They are little animals. Loud. If something is loud, it can hurt your ears. It makes lots of noise. We have three animals that make lots of noise. What is this one? A sheep. Good. What is this? Yes, it is a goose. And what about this one? You're right. It's a goat. Let's do the sentence for a sheep. Ready? A sheep is loud. Bah! Let's try for the goose. A goose is loud. Onk, 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 onk. Let's try for the goat. A goat is loud. Blah, blah. Quiet. You say the word. What animals are quiet? Yes, a horse. And you got it, a cow. These animals can make noise, but usually they are quiet. Let's say the sentences together in a quiet voice. A horse is quiet. A cow is quiet. Excellent. Our next word is slow. Say the word with me. Slow. Very good. An animal that is slow does not move very fast. We said a horse is fast. It can move very quickly. But these animals are not fast. They are slow. So let's do this sentence. Yep, you got it, cow. A cow is slow. Cows walk around very slowly. I think they can run, but they don't choose to do that very often. Most of the time, they are slow. And what's this one? You got it, a pig. A pig is slow. Excellent. You did a great job with that. We're going to keep on practicing with our animals and how